Babes. See pillar for your cramp. Come know I hear kind of month, you know. You feel alright?
Still hurt me, man.
Sure. Alright, I see I have some panty in my bath in them where you wash and something. I rinse them and put them on the wire because you know when they mildew. Because my favorite panty them I like to see, you know.
Thanks.
Yeah? You're so good, man. Know yourself. So you can steam out and do right, and you know, a couple more days, man, and ready again here.
Alright.
I know it's 2 years since your ex-girlfriend missing. So, you know hear about nothing from the police or nothing like that? No information, nothing at all?
Yo, me and police and a friend first thing. See? Tell her that. And you see X means say a wrong zone. Me no in that, me no business with that. See? Me no want you come talk to me asking about no X. Me no response with that. Now you set me up with the girl that me have right now. So when you come talking about X, talking about my girl no? Reason about the girl, man. You come talk about X business.
Jano dog, yo, you're dark and fool, brother. Just one little question me ask you, dog. One little question. Man, like you come like saying that you hold your woman and suck out the tongue or make love to your woman properly.
Brother, you just know if you mash up my meds constantly. Sometimes I wonder how we reason. What we can reason about constantly? Because me they are supposed to hold our meds and reason. And I be a fool just here coming about suck out. Suck out what? When I talk about suck out, you talk about something when I'm supposed to go, you know. And I saw them things I go. Me not kissy. Saying? Me not kissy for her. That's the part of my birth certificate. You understand me I say? And if you know what you say, brother, I'm not talking about you done the conversation with you. I hear that. I don't say. Go first.
Jano, I know me and this man afraid, you know.
You know, say third time I seen do this, so take up your clothes and I left your panty them.
Your panty? We're clean.
We're clean.
And I him see man I take them off. You must have joke.
And I know first scene do it, girl, and not look good.
Boy, me have to tell me I love my man. Me have to love my man. If me sick, he can go as far as washing it. And he might take up his clothes them and leave me panty them pan the line.
Just sign still. Maybe he hand it full and he could hold them. Maybe.
He take up 2 panty and then be full.
Sis, shh, come on. Just come on and tap it nice. Come on now.
You know?
Maybe he hand it full. I don't know what I just say.
He take up 2 panty and be full.
Alright, shh. Come on. Because he neighbor them a look. Come on now.
Yeah, man.
You not come further.
No, man. We check it later.
Where you going for?
Me say later, he and be full. Go on.
She play it, sis.
Sure, so can link me.
Long time I don't see her.
Him now one piece of water again.
Again?
Yeah.
Why for them relationship?
Look here, let me tell you something. You're a little one and I don't want certain things happen to you in your life. You see what Sharon man have? I don't want you and no man have that in the future. You see the man me have? He might not so rich, but he try for me. If me sick, he take care of me. And I said we go vice versa and do every little thing for me and I appreciate him so much. And he never deal with me like a dirty clot. He man deal with me so good, me couldn't ever try to betray me in life, more wicked. Me no want you in them the relationship in the future with toxic, everyday argument, man I talk to you anyway, call you any sort of name.
No sister, no master.
No pick up them the type of man they are left them. At least you're not going to want to go in a relationship, you know.
Why for them relationship?
The relationship toxic and I don't want them to sit there happen to you. You see, look man when me have, he might not have you, but he do everything for me and I appreciate him. If Mr. ever betray that man, would have wicked. He man deal with Cher any way he want. Talk to him like a dirty clot. And she keep and go back. No matter say me done, you know, sis, he go back and he go back and he go back. I'll wait, Cher lose. Cher did tick up and nice. You could have looked on Cher's face and see happiness. Me don't see no happiness. No matter you come around here and talk and laugh. You can see it in his face and drain him and drain out every bit of niceness out of Cher.
So my time if you load them in a relationship because every minute Cher go back, she go back.
But our sister, so me have to talk one day I must take heed. How much me don't want to reach a point where a man go put his hand on him. And me have to go make chop up, me have to go just chop him to mince done there.
Make you reach at that time, you will learn. You know, listen.
You don't know nothing about relationships, so I'm not even sure I hold certain argument with you. But me I beg you do. No pick up them on their road. No pick them up. When you see them on their road, you cut your eye past them. Clean.
See her there?
Who there? I wanna go with the one there reason about.
Me the half of the yard chat you. Excuse that I run.
Chat me.
Excuse me talk to her the 1 minute.
So you excuse for don't chat me.
No man, make she go on. Because I don't want things get too spicy and she hears
One spaghetti. So you're going.
I saw you go maga if you continue. I said where you go maga like Tina if you continue.
What are with the man? Where you going with?
Me no like when Marcus I do to you.
You're going back this again.
And you come and go and like everything alright, and me know say everything not alright.
Sis, remember you know, Marcus been through a lot, you know, sis. So I don't know, every time I come up here, I talk about Marcus this, Marcus that. He man traumatized. You have to give him time to heal. So maybe that's why I always react on certain things.
What traumatized him? Tell me what traumatized Marcus. You don't have a good explanation. Look how you're nice, look how you're pretty. You go to school, you have a proper education. You even further education more than me. And you have him man that take you for idiot. Remember say me never hate him, you know? Because when he come and he meet me, you know, he just come like such a nice guy. And when you keep on telling me day by day, not even call it a months apart when we have an argument now and then, because that make up a relationship, we not go have disagreement. It's like every single day, sure, or every other day, yeah, Marcus in an argument up there. He might not lick you now, you know. He might not put his hand on you, but it's going to lead to it. Any you keep on go and give him chances, he might go lick you.
God forbid, sis. Because if you want to go lick me, that start lick me already. First of all, I tell you things, I know why you take you and use against me, which show you because you're my sister and I love you. And I know say you love me too. First of all, Marcus I'll go on anger management. Because I start but if last month, I go this class and I go like, you know, counsel man and we're there. So I go better, I go get better and better. You understand what I say? So don't worry yourself, man, he's good man.
Just look how long you and him there. Kendrick been through a whole lot, you know. With his parents, them war go, war come, but yet still he say never want that for him in the future. And me and him there, and Kendrick never raise his voice, he never put his hand on me. Never. Because of your mindset. He grew up conceit some things in life and he make sure say him not repeating. And he could have repeating. Because I remember saying me not work. He could have used that against me every day. Say, remember say you not work and you live in my place, you know, and deal with me anyway, you know. Never. Henry, never. What day am I sick? Cause you know when my monthly come and so how me feel, how me react, me can't drink. And he call him boss. And he say he can't come in and 3 days straight can the yard take care of me. When your period come, what your man do?
Sis.
Go in a setting, go sleep.
Sis.
He no comfort you.
Sis, stick up in. Remember say Kendrick and Marcus are 2 different persons. They both been through 2 different childhood, then different, then grow up different. So I don't know why I try to put them together. Then different. So I just that their mindset different.
And one thing with you know, you go stick out for your little liar man, you know. Make you fool so.
Sis, me no fool.
You fool man, you must tappy. You feel tappy. Because how would I feel you know if you know say man hurt you and me been talking to you about the same situation. And you not take no heed, you not hear. You not listen. The same thing me there tell Tina. Say me no want them the things that happen to you happen to her.
So I this going to know every day and Tina get up the palm me and my man name. I know fit tappy too.
Okay.
I know fit tappy.
Alright. Sorry. Go on up to Marcus.
Yes, when things happen, I go and tell you again because I realize you take use against me.
And who me talk to about it? You are my sister. And you me have to talk to. Me can't talk to nobody else or go around go tell people. Me have to talk to you. Because if Tina come up here right now and see Marcus argue in the future and if you have one boyfriend or husband, I go feel it's okay if you treat her a certain way. She go feel like say alright and you know alright share. You know set a good example man. I remember say Tina no go stay with me. I tour with Tina stay with her. So anytime he come off your place and see a man deal with a certain way, he feel like say everything good.
For me come, you just depend on me and my man name. Anyway, one thing something remember you order for me, then I reach it. Because I want, when I suit them for you, because me and Marcus I go somewhere later.
You think them don't reach it?
You mind tell me say they don't reach you know. I thought just go up there and go say me can't find something. Now dig up my closet, dig up my job, I must find something.
When you try dig up a good personality if you come out to your man.
Yo, allow me alone. You alright, you know. You're well alright till doctor find your complaint.
Tina,
Yes, sir.
you see the same thing me I tell them?
tell if you love them and their relationship in a year, I did want you.
Look at my sister.
Why?
But as me said before, nobody going at them a chop ya. No going at them a sitting there where she going now.
Me nah go say it not gonna reach me now, but sometimes we make people, you know, learn their mistake, yeah.
I can't lie. I will lay down and still because I don't feel so hungry.
Nah.
Yeah.
Hey, Browning. You know, say me just there. Me is around and say cool themselves. See, you know which one exactly can carry me there?
Oh, the cool man. You know, say, I open one blue shop up the road up there, so. Yeah, once I go up here, it's the first blue shop. Right there, so.
Okay.
No, say, I carry the third door. That's so. Alright.
Yo, how are you?
You know hear about me?
That girl there.
Yeah.
Where you know her from?
You know, so me know one simple question me ask her though.
One question I ask her?
Yeah, man.
What kind of question?
Cause me don't know around here, you know, cause America me come from, so I'm just asking her where can I find the coal shop.
So I say, you don't know her?
No, sir.
Alright, make sure you don't know her now. And alright, just keep it away there and take yourself from the place. Yes?
You want me help you?
No, I'm good, man.
So what problem?
I'm going to ask you a few questions. I just see you up on the road a while ago. I talked to one youth. Where you know him from?
Oh, I don't know him. I don't know him. I seen me and they ask me about the coal and I tell him say up the road up by blue shop the coal.
Cool? In that damn time here, I ask him about coal.
I don't know that him ask.
Which civilized somebody right now I use coal in this scheme here?
Calm down,
Me don't know no coal man in that area. Someone don't understand what this someone that come ask about coal. What kind of coal? A coal? Look at time hot. What kind of coal you talk? Calm down. Murder your car. Say dear man. What do you? Eh? You are dealing with. You think we are rampant? You have to know what you are doing now. You have to know what you are doing. I don't want to hear your voice neither. Shut up your mouth. That's why people might hear what I'm going. Shut up your mouth, man. I don't want nobody in my business. You hear me say? Mr. Shut up. Yo, know what you are dealing with, you know. I don't have foolishness. I go drink a bum pants beer over there, you know. Fix up a place, too, man.
Who is that?
I mean, sis, we can come in.
Yeah man, push the door, it open.
Sis, no, man. What do you feel so?
But that with the excitement.
Left it, man.
Who is you if you tell me if you leave my relationship? You know how far me I come from?
The man anger, he might kill you one day, sis, because man do your face so. Eh? If, you know what happened to the last woman? Eh? The man love abuse woman, the man love butter blows woman. Left him, man.
Now brother, me tell you something. No relationship not perfect. And sometimes if a man not lick you, he not sure say he love you.
Left him man alone, you're going to end up dead one day.
God forbid he not kill me. Stop call on kill dead palm me, my youth. Stop it. You can't look for me, I can something come give me. Just give me it and go on, no, man.
Can't believe it. What you doing making this, so? We tell the palm when they talk to you, when do you?
We good, man, we good. We alright. And nobody now got dead.
Sis, the reason why we come down here and come looking at is stinker road not to garbage up nothing so. Everywhere we pass, yo, your sister make man down there beat him. Can't believe you, sis.
Just rumor that, bro, just rumor.
I know so mommy grew away.
Oh, you know, so I put on back lick on him too. And a purpose, he do it fine now. I play me and him, I play lick and in hand just catch me in my face. Me not even know how it happened. And him tell me sorry, and we squash out everything and we good.
Lick? Lick where? That feel like it's a heavy load of fist.
You feel it?
Me feel it, I don't know if me jaw. Me I tell you, by looking at it, square, ring chin.
So why you exaggerate and go on so? You stink a road. I go that uno see a man a come on my yard and I can go carry a road, go tell people, oh, he stink a road, and me not go a road.
Why not be like your little sister? Look for a man loving with her, nice. Be like your sister, please. You know why you better drive car and can't stick your arm and walk with her bosses? Come on, man. Do better than that. Me should have look out here. I know some mommy growing. Then the woman time, man, but it look like that, the man, they really tired. You want me to get, oh, your man?
Oh, be man. No, you go too far now, man. Brother, let me tell you something. You know, if you come off a man back now, brother, this, you know, just depend it too much. That's why now I change. Me sick of this now, man. Every day, if I know my sister, you, me sick of this now, man. That's why I'm not change, because I depend in him too much. Come off him back now, brother. Leave him alone, man. You know, make things worse than how it seems.
Me if you come off him back, I him to come off of your face. Look at your faces. You know, say, if me feel like one day I'll end up dead, you know.
God forbid.
If you don't follow your sister's footstep, me I tell you, that man going to do you something. I mean, I don't have to be the witness of it. I mean, I don't have to come at your funeral, come back, because I did warn you already. I did warn you. And you know what I'm going to tell your little sister? Because I want you to find a man like she.
Brother, let me tell you something. That we do now, you know. When you're a relationship, the way you're a woman, the way you not come off of me and my man back. Come off now, no man. No, you make me get grieve, you know. Why main purpose to come up here today? If you talk about me, man.
I don't like him. I don't like a bone in him.
I feel like him kind of like you neither. He come like a stress, you come to stress me out. Yo, just ease up, man. Ease up now, man.
I really want to make you love him. I already beat me, I love him for.
You don't worry about that. That is my personal business.
When you sip on him, money already told. Which one you love? The face? If you now want to ring then and box it out if that you love.
You know what? Your time up. Your time expire. Come go on down. Go on.
All right, sis.
Go on down to your woman. Because I'll come up here
All
talk about me and my man. Go on. Have a nice day.
I tell you go.
Go on, man. Have a nice day.
Sis. You don't know your sister have man down there beat her.
What you mean? Me tired of the nagging. If I don't want thing I next, I'm gonna make him man kill him.
Me say, black and blue, yeah, so?
What?
Black and blue, yeah, so? Why, I don't know.
Sure, they make him man kill him.
And don't push me out of your house. Me not go back down there, you know? Me not going back down there. That man must kill him.
I mean, don't want her, she dead down there, you know. But you're a bigger brother and you're a man. So what make you not go beat up your boy or see boy one way and beat him?
Oh!
We are woman, you know.
That the man look like he have a gigantic fist. If you see the big old black and blue, look at me. Look at my skin care man is not up. You need to go talk to your sister. You need to go talk to him because I tell her, say, somebody are dead down there.
I mean, I want a she be one, you know.
Left for your boy and go talk to her.
You know, Me so come the Navi. Me I could done the look how I go.
All you want Navi here. I'm top come here shop in a lady. Every day you put $20 on the bill. Can't even get nothing for thief.
Sharika, Demisha, Wilmot. Warm to your face, girl? Are you me a talk to warm to your face?
You couldn't knock.
No, me can't knock. With your other self. Come, talk up,
So
talk
what
up,
is?
talk
Talk
up,
up
talk
what?
up, talk up.
Talk
Your
up
face,
what?
your face.
Yeah, talk about that and I go on board. What do me face? I dead me almost dead. Slide in the bathroom. I have got change the mat. Cause I'm going there and step over now, so I go bed. Slide. You want to see your sister spread out? Mash up my face.
So, yeah, try to tell me say bathroom might beat you up. You give a serious beat and he beat you yes so, he beat you yes so, he beat you yes so.
That we do, you know. You always stick to your belief. Me I tell you what happened.
Let me tell you, you live in a community in a district where each one hear everything. And something happen, your whole village know.
They hear too much. That's why I'm not like you move more and move. Me not like here. They hear I'm mind for business too much.
The man they will kill you, you know. The man they will kill you, you know, because you don't have no sense, you know.
You know
Me
me notice?
You know, let me tell you this, you know, me did tell you, you know. Me personally did tell you, you know, share. Me say, you man, I go start with the cussing. You man, I go start with the slamming the door. You man, I go start with the punching while till him punch and see there. See, man, I lick up your good face.
Me? Sharika, they tell us a man punch up my face. Where's the man punch up my face? And that way you assume too much. I don't need to come out from me and my man name and I'm tired for telling you. See people in the community here, that's for them daily job. Sit down, mind people business. Then hear one nice and know what they just assume say one man a beat somebody. Yo, then if come out from me name, man. You know what gonna happen? Now come over here one day and not see me, nor see nothing of me just gone. Me fed up of this.
Well, dead.
Which dead? What me couldn't call long dead for me?
And that you wanna go there, you know?
Come like you don't want me dead.
Yeah, where you go look at me and a fool. Me and an idiot, me know you. When we go to school, I used to fight for you all away. If somebody just said two, I have fight for we. I know you're man at turning on one piece of beating thick. I know you this, I must tie your goozle you or something. Make you sit down and make man beat you. Look at you. Look how you're nice, girl. Nothing at all wrong with you. And there's nothing you can do in this world for your man to beat you, so beat you go. Because if you was the problem with the left hand in the Ghana, it's my problem.
You know what really a problem? Uno mouth. Uno mouth are the problem. And I go make uno mouth, make the man do enough to do. Because more no chat, I more come like a problem in my life. Uno stop. Please stop.
And you manipulated, don't you?
I had enough. No, sir.
Every time when I want a little argument, you ball or even say you're going to leave him, come back and he apologize and make you look like you wrong. If you need to do this, babes, you know, say more like you. Oh, babes, me love you. You know, say if this never happen, that don't happen.
Sis.
And you forgive him.
Stick a pin. You make me all get stam and list tongue right now, everything in a one. You think what you want your man call relationship one have over there, so me don't know what. That is not a relationship. Because if a man now box and kick you down, make blood all run. Not did so. You know how nice after we done fight? How the nicest. Some don't know you miss out a lot. Leave me and my life alone. Me enjoy, me love it.
You're mad.
Look at me how me look happy. I'm okay.
You're mad.
Me mad?
You have to your face color like a circus. You man have one piece of ball a bump on your
Now
face
watch
over
my
here.
face. You know watch this a face, yeah. Cause later it would be smiling.
Your face look like a clown.
Yo, come on, man, come here. Come here, some man. How dare you feel my sister? Yawa,
Me awa, you awa. Eh?
that's my sister,
Yo,
Bridget.
stop watch your sister front. Why you watch your sister front for? Leave her alone, man. Awa, you have a childhood kind of thing. Why you think about her front? Leave her alone. She move out her house and she'll live with me. Why you want her to come live with you? Yo, avoid your sister, yo. What kind of man you be? Leave her alone, huh?
Bridget, be a man. You don't beat a woman, you just put them out when they get trouble. If I burn my sister and give you, why not just put her out down black and blues? You know how she come? You know how she born? You know how she raised? Eh?
Hold on. Tell me something now. You know how she eat? You know where she sleep? You know where she come from? You know how she come? Eh? Leave her alone. Leave me and fear. Hey, yo, I'm step to you. That you me do? Eh? You know me? You want to know me? Or what you want to do? What is your intention? Yo, leave with relationship alone. You understand me I say? And if I ever try...
But me tell you this, don't try that with me, you know.
What you
My
do?
hobby man no ramp. You see my sister, I'm a little sister, you know ramp with him, you know. Just when you go down there,
Yes.
make sure you go down there and take her back every scar off her.
Alright, boss.
Go on now. I run to.
I'm convinced you're mad. You're gone fully mad. But here, just breeze the place 1 week or 2. You can't come down here and stay. You know Kenrick now.
Nah, come down and know ya. Don't know Kenrick. Alright, that's so me I stay. Me alright. Me no want come in here your Kenrick apartment. Me alright.
Just breeze the environment for your little
Me
share
no
and come.
You know what you force me to do right now? You know me I say, first I did my brother, now are you? Me sick of you know what you force me to do? Show be a little red cloth through the door, they make you go on back here and go on home to your man. You up your and I talk about my business. Somebody go down there with your man. Go on one man and mind your business.
Kenrick done there cook.
My cook, go and go look. Squeeze up and go look where my do, because I don't trust no man and love in people business.
I don't know what else to do. I don't know how to help you. Are we alone? You have otherwise come, because if the next time you see me know say your funeral or hospital, the man are gonna make you end up. Come share. I don't know one more to say.
I don't need no help. Me alright. Right now my man go that soon come. At what time on my
I
phone
don't
there?
know what to do.
Don't make him come over here and catch up on this a conversation, a chat. You hear? You better hurry up and go on. Because you come like you come over here for problem. You come to talk to your sister and call up for your sister or what? And me don't want to raise my voice because you know me turn already. Me don't want to raise my voice. You better just take time go back down to your man. Go and go cater for your man. Go help him cook. Go and go peel the food or put on the rice or whatever. Me good say stop. You know, stop stress me no man. Can I make things worse than it seems?
Me disappointed in you, bitch. Yo, only thing me can do is pray for you. But me and go home.
Yeah man, pray.
Me can't believe how you may hear all of this from. Over one man. You gone.
Have a nice day and just lock my door.
Yo, Mr. Look, yo. What me you start going up on the road there?
What babes?
When me say what babes, don't babes me.
But me not understand.
You know me I come from?
What is it, babes?
When me say what is it, don't babe me right now, cause I your brother me step on the road, you know. And if you know your brother try to style me, you know what I mean? Your brother come tell me say, him here say me I beat you up.
What?
How your brother fear that?
Me don't know.
You tell your brother them business, eh?
No, babes.
You come like you don't get enough. Eh? Me just see a big head brother, he isn't cock off like a donkey. Eh? You know what boy try to tell me say? I tell me say boy me fi stop beat you. Like say him a know me business. How him a know me business? Hmm?
Me don't know, babes. Me really don't know.
You don't know?
No.
So him want to know about this?
Me not discuss none of our business to nobody.
I feel you're discussing this thing.
No.
And that's why him feel like he can come do what he do. Me a man, you know? Only if you know that. You think me a book? Eh?
No, babes. I
Me know nobody can read my business.
Me don't know, babes. I know me not discuss this to nobody.
You know, some of the trust what you say. But you are going. You want me tell you this, man. You see? I truly love you. I spend so much energy upon you, you know.
Love.
Yes.
Then, babes, I really love me and I do this and make you whole community have things that say about me. Me can't manage this, man. You need to stop and control yourself.
So the community know what going on?
Everybody I talk about you, so
Like-
me here.
So that means some business up on the road then?
But I know me.
So
I know me.
fix up yourself and cover your face. And nobody the foolishness. Yo, me have feelings for you. Me love you. Genuinely. That's why I put in so much energy in this.
Yes, babes.
You cook?
No, babe, me couldn't cook on my face that hurt me. Whole body where you beat me, that hurt me.
You want Kentucky?
Yes, thank you.
How much piece you want? 3 piece? You want big deal?
5 piece.
They don't sell 5 piece. You want me buy a big deal and a meal deal?
Just buy one then.
One big deal?
Yes.
You want corn?
Can get one 3 piece, one coleslaw, one corn, barbecue mix.
You want barbecue and if they don't have barbecue, me fi buy.
Can get spicy,
Spicy? Where you want? Leg and thigh or thigh and leg?
tire leg.
Thigh and leg. Alright, so me I get the food for you here. But here I go on. I love you, you know. But don't make nobody hear your business again. See?
Alright, babe,
Just do what you have to do and everything alright. Look, you in a red, me in a red. Red and we see we always connect. So we could connect continuously. Me I go on road still, go get your stuff them. See? Me I go cross the road and get some ice cream for you too.
So
Rum
you
and
give me
raisin.
so much fatty food, babe.
No
I'm fat
man,
already.
no you know fat baby, a juicy, juicy. Never talk about fat around yourself. So me I get them for you, here.
Alright, babe.
So it's a rum and raisin you want or what?
Roman raisin, babe, where you gonna Roman raisin? KFC, barbecue.
You get all of that but more and put something more upon it.
Oh, you can get a shake, say me, Roman raisin, bun and cheese and all of them little snack there.
No
Little
problem.
Doritos and them so.
Guess what you do? Just text me, Liz. I'm the way.
Alright.
Yeah? Do it right now, you know.
I look for my phone.
Love you, yeah?
Alright, babe, love you too.
Alright.
And then they want me left my man. Then go away.
Put fun and joke aside, babes. You know, so I really appreciate you. Me never meet nobody yet like you. Me never once in my life have doubt. I swear, and I just hope you not change. But me meaning to talk to you about Marcus. Me not like him a cheat share. You can't talk to him, you're a friend, you know. He will listen to you.
Babes, you know so me not get involved in a people and a relationship and what they want to go through. You can talk to him, yes, but you know so Marcus and not somebody where you can talk to. I'm a friend, but me just know how to deal with him. You see me? We just keep him on a distance because I know how to deal with him. Me can't even say certain things to him. Certain joke, we know so we don't run with each other. And the man they ignorant and dark and fool. But me I talk to him still. You see me? And I know say I know everything me can say to him.
Because Sherry's a nice girl, you know. And he not only verbally abuse her now, he physically beat her. And me see pain. Sherry know is the same person. She changed completely from she and Marcus day. Me can't even run certain joke and talk to Sherry certain way. Not even look, she can't come look for me because him claim to say we are bad influence towards your one sister. So just see what you can do here.
Babes, come on, stop that. I never come here to talk about people's business, you know, honestly. I come to spend time with you. You see me? There you go. In the bush. Quite evening. Not comfy. Make them spoil with you.
Hello?
Yo, how are you there?
When me say me there, me not there me yard man, me not work, so it's spam for there.
Alright, I'll link me the one call link you, man. Me so come check it on yard.
You come link me?
Yeah.
Link me for?
Brother, me and a friend, brother, let me link you for. Me can't link you again.
Oh, I think I money I bring back what you want to say lend me from them time there. You know?
You want to lend you?
Yeah.
Well, me not have it right now, still, but me can't go and check your same way.
Brother, I better brother link me, you know, but alright, it's alright. Forward if I forward the answer. Look, come on. Yes, sir. Call it me for foolishness.
Mr. Marcus, sir. Where you going, dude?
Yo, I'm tell you this, man. Are you a parent here? Eh? Are you a parent here? You can't just barge into my place and frighten me. Yo, you can't frighten a man like me, because me do anything, king. Me a virgin, but you have to be careful. You laugh, you think a joke.
Brother, stop foolishness, my youth. And that I come here for a reason with you about. And what you share of? Come here, say a big foolishness, you don't go on in there, brother. And you're a big man. You know, if you do them, share one nice girl, you know. And because of me make you know share, you know, brother. And you let me down, brother, for you hear all them the kind of news, brother. Me say you beat her and you verbally abuse her, brother. What kind of style them? They don't know man style, brother. You can't do that. Eh? You can't do that, brother, and look at your girl nice, brother. Eh? What you want to do? You want to be like your father? Eh? You can't be like your father, brother. You have to set an example. You see me? You have to set example. You have to be different. You have to break that generation curse, brother. And be a man, brother. Woman, all the time they get born, you know, brother, you still have to love them, you know. Unless you're one of them kind of man there. I mean, you're not one of them kind of man there, because I'm not part of them kind of man there.
You look ahead. Something wrong with you? You bring up these things, acting like, say, me an idiot. Think me an idiot? You think me cross? But tell you this, man. Every conversation you talk about Cher is that she's a nice girl. You want me, woman? You vex, say you give me her? And that's your problem? You take this thing for joke, eh? Let me tell you something. It's time my father business, don't bring up them stuff there, you know. My past is my past. If you claim say my brethren and you reason with me, how is it that you come talk about them something like don't be like my father? Don't be like my father. Me what? Eh? You think I dopey in me or something? Let me tell you something, man. My life is my life. Me no want you come go on like you run my life. Me a man. You a gentleman. Go and be a boat. And then kick you out of this place. I will step on you. Me not that kind of man there. Me, actually, about the frustration I'm going to me and Sherry, you know. You don't know nothing what I'm going to do. Yo, if me there, so now I'm tell her, I said, don't make up a bed that way there. She make up a bed that way there. Me tell her, don't put the tissue that way there because me want to carry me want pull the tissue so me can pull it. So she want to roll it around so I roll it around so. Let me tell you this, man. Listen to me. You don't know. Stay tight. You my brethren? You give me her? You want her back? Or you don't want her? You leave my business.
Brother, why me don't want share? Think about it. Me and our sister done there already. Me love our sister gone to bed. You see me? And me don't want to know say because me and your friend, me and like brother, me not even just friend, me and like brother my youth. A long time me and you apart. You see me? And if you know say you do them as your brother, you don't look good. You don't look good none at all, my youth. I'm disappointed in you, my youth. Because next thing, you go do share something or she go do something, you go end up in a hearse and them, brother. Me don't want that, brother. Me don't want that for you and me don't want that for she. Brother, you have to just know you do, brother, and just break your generational curse. Because this come like you know, stop my youth. I mean, yo, just do the right thing, dog. And not bother with the foolishness. Because I don't want to come talk to you about them again, because you're a big man. I don't need for you to tell about them. I'm going to get involved with your woman. That's me I say, but just do the right thing still, because I just definitely come to tell you about.
Baby!
Wait. No baby no there, sir.
What me do now?
No baby me right now. You want to know what you do? Eh? Every day is just drama when it come on to you. Dirty Kenrick just left us. You know, see Kenrick, Dirty Kenrick a pass here go to the road a while ago.
No,
eh?
I don't see Kenrick.
For him, conversation is that him now I say me a batter bruise and me a beat you. My story gone on road now. Eh? That means say for your dirty sister Bina, I come tell him say me a beat you up. Only thing me do is talk to you like a rough. Me's a man, you know. Me have to talk rough. Me can't talk soft like a little girl. When you waist party and tell you something here, I say you talk to you. Me can't do that. So here what I go on now. You see, if you are going to continuously spread my business around, eh? I one thing left, you know. Since you had shot, so me a beat you up and butter blues up. Fools to go out. I be a fools to go out. Pull your bum fat. Pumping you. You get to know? Stick with that. Hold a nap and cool out. Johan?
Jesus. Oh, me had enough. Me had enough. Oh. An incident happened yesterday. Upon my hand. Okay. Me can't stay no more. Me have to come. Me have to come. Guess what happened, girl? One simple, stupid matter.
Oh God, me tell you, say, yo, just to hear your voice, me stress out. I can't deal with it. I come out the door and see your panties still up on the line. I can't deal with it. I'm sorry. I learn my lesson. I come out the door and I say, boy, the house just empty. Empty. I can't deal with this. When I see you, the room just not have the scent, the essence there. When you spray your body splash on a place, can't take it. The room smells frozen because I'm just me alone. I'm stressed out. Please, babe, me change. Me's a different man. I want to come for you. I want to come home for you. You know me already. And me, it's always been us. Me and you. Remember, say we made a promise there, you know? Nothing change. Only thing changes my attitude. I'm a sound to you. I'm all these things. I'm a better man now. That dirty man there, gone. I tell you. Yes, me I tell you. Yes, me I tell you. Even my tone of voice a change. Forgive me now. I want to come for you. I can come for you, please. Please. I need you. I can come for you? Babe, I tell you something, I feel like if I have you, I'm going to do something to myself wicked, dangerous, deadly. I can't take it. I say I can't. More come for you. I can come for you, please. I can come for you. All right. Yeah, me I come for you. I'm gonna meet you. I'm gonna meet you up on the hillside, right there, so. Babe, I'm sorry. Yeah? Me I come for you. All right.
Sis? This right now, you know, so I can't go door.
Go away.
When I close, I take her. Sis? You know, so I can't go door.
Where you go?
When you close, I have on this morning there. Oh, so I have to need that. Right now, I have to go, girl, because Marcus over there mad. He call me while I go be a balling.
Can the boy Marcus call you a ball man, call you this man, call you a whip? Man, can tell me say wickedest set a man them ball and me go encounter it. When you see they have some long hair water try, you know see man a try manipulate you where you go.
I can't make him kill himself. Can talk say I go do something drastic. You understand? So I go have to go over.
You mean to tell me say really? I go back over Marcus?
Sis, nobody can't tell me about no grandma days. Grandma days are grandma days and no in a few days now. Nobody can't tell me that me a big woman, me no nobody tell me not me gone to my man.
Okay, sorry, big woman.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry, man. I change.
You change?
I gotta go counseling. Yeah, I set up here already.
You don't think man like you can change. Every day you just abuse, make people laugh off me road. Me sick and tired of this now, man.
That's it. I'm finished with that.
You finished?
New life, new page. No rum, no link up. I'm calm.
You
I
swear?
take my time and talk.
You promise?
I promise. Okay? You take it in stages. Come here.
Swear to me before we leave here, so.
I promise. I promise.
No promise, swear.
I promise. Cross my heart, hope to die, stick a needle in my eye. I promise.
Look at cartoon thing.
No,
Come
man.
on.
I'm serious, man. Here?
Come on, you see what you say.
Alright.